Hi class 6, welcome back to the maths class once again. So today what we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, and we are going to play with the numbers now. So the name of our chapter is playing with numbers. So today what we are going to learn, something new, what we are going to learn. So let's make a list of it first, okay? So today first thing what we are going to know, that are the factors. Number 2, multiples. Number 3, what are the common factors? And number 4, common multiples. Okay, so let's start with this one. Okay. Now, when we need to understand what are the factors, we need to understand the complexity of the multiplication. Okay. Now, multiples and factors all are based on the operation of multiplication. Now, according to the definition, how we are going to go in maths, we don't require so much of definition. Still, if we are going through it, we should go through it systematically, no? So, according to the definition, how can we say a factor is? So, according to the book, each of the numbers which are multiplied together are called the factors of each other. What that stands for? Say, let's take some example. Okay. Now here, say I have taken one number 3, another number 5. Got it? Now multiplying both of the number. What they will give? 15. So this is the product. Alright. Now these two numbers are the factors. Now you can understand what they were saying as the definition. Each of the numbers, this is the number 1 and number 2. Each of the numbers which are multiplied together to give a product is called the factor of that product. So 3 is the factor of 15. 5 is the factor of 15. Now, if we need to break this 15 in different way, how can we break? We can also multiply 1 with 15 to give 15, right? So, we can say that if anybody is saying that find the factors, all the factors of 15. So, 1 is also the factor of 15. 15 is also the factor of 15. We can say that, right? Because after multiplication, all the numbers which have been multiplied together to give the product, these 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 numbers are the factors of this one number, that is 15. Now you understand that what a factor stands for. Now after factor, it is the time for multiples. Okay. Now you see here once again I have taken the same set of numbers. 3 into 5 giving 15. 1 into 15 giving 15. Okay. So we have already known that 3, 5, 1, 15, all these 4 numbers are the factors of this one number, that is 15. Now this one number is the product. Now what we can say, how we can define a multiple. Now from this, the name of the term itself, we can understand that it is directly related to the multiplication. So the product, that is 15, is the multiple of each number. Okay. So we can say that 15 is the multiple. Here 15 is the multiple of what? Multiple of 1, 3, 5, 15. Why? Because I am multiplying 1 with 15 giving 15, 3 with 5 giving 15 once again, and 5 with 3 15, 15 with 1, 15. All the permutation, combination we are doing, calculation we are doing, it's giving a result of what? The same product, that is 15. Understand? So 15 is the multiple of all these four numbers. Got it? Now we will be talking about the common factors and common multiples. Now for taking out the common in between the factors, now you can understand when we need to find the common, we are finding common between two people. I cannot find any common if we are not comparing two person or any two things which are near to similar, right? So for finding the common factors or common anything, we need two person or two numbers. Okay, so let's take two numbers. One is 12, another is 50. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to find the factors for 12. Okay, so for that reason what we need to do, first we have to find all the possible combination that is giving rise to 12. Now how we can easily find it out? We just keep on dividing 12 by the numbers which are possible. First, by 12 we can understand it is dividing by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Now I am writing this result out here. Once again, 2 3s are 6. Now 3 is divided by 3 1s are 3. Got it? Now how we find out the factors? So here 1, what are the common factors for this? 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so from here what we can find? What are the common factors? Firstly, 1, 2, 2, 3. Now in case of 15, how we are going to find? 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Okay, so 1 into 3 into 5. Now we have already found out all are the factors. What are the factors for 12 and 15? Got it? So what are the common between these two? 1 is common, 3 is common. Anything else? There is no 2, there is no 5 in 12. Got it? So what are the common factors? Here the common factors are between 12 and 15 are 1 and 3. Understand? Now coming to the common multiples. Again we need to find two numbers. Let's take 3 and 4. Okay. So when we are talking about this, other than, let's take some two more simpler numbers, 2 and 4. Okay. So here when we are finding the multiples, what are the multiples? These are two numbers. When we need to find the multiples, we are just taking out the multiples or we are going to multiply it according to the tables we know. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, last one is 2 10s are 20. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Now see, I am not taking so much, extending so much. Okay. Now in case of both, look which are the common multiples. Here 4 and 4 are the common multiples. 8 and 8 are the common multiples. 12 and 12 are common multiples. 16 and 16 are common multiples. 20 and 20 are common multiples. So this is how we find which are the common multiples between two numbers. And other than that, if we are not finding their multiples, we cannot find the common multiples. Okay, so that's it for today. And in our next video, we are going to learn something more about the numbers. So thank you for watching. Till then, be safe.